Are you tired of trying every hair growth product out there, only to be let down? Sick of seeing more hair in your brush than on your head? Well, what if I told you that the secret to the kind of thick, full hair you'll be seeing everywhere in 2026 isn't on a store shelf, but in your own kitchen? For years, so many of us have been fighting a losing battle with thinning hair, trying so-called solutions that only offer empty promises. We've been told to rely on drugs that can come with a whole list of side effects we don't want, or supplements that feel like they're doing nothing at all. But believe me, the entire world of hair health is about to change. In this video, we're going to get ahead of the curve and create a powerful at-home growth serum that actually mimics the effects of upcoming clinical breakthroughs, and we'll do it using simple, natural ingredients. This is your chance to unlock your hair's full potential before anyone else. This is the future of hair care, and you're getting a front row seat. To see where we're going, you first have to understand the problem with where we've been. Most common hair loss, also known as androgenetic alopecia, is driven by a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. It attaches to your hair follicles, causing them to shrink and eventually just give up on producing hair. For decades, the main way to fight this was with oral medications that lowered DHT throughout your entire body. This often worked for hair, but it also opened the door to a bunch of side effects nobody wants. But, you know, the next generation of hair treatments is honestly so much smarter. Scientists have been working on this new class of topical treatments that, well, work locally, right on the scalp to block DHT's effects, without messing with your body's overall hormonal balance. One of the most talked about is a compound called clascoterone. It's already approved to treat acne, but its potential for hair loss is making, huge waves. Phase 3 clinical trials have shown incredibly promising results, with some participants actually seeing major improvements in hair count compared to a placebo. The key is how it works. It's a topical androgen receptor inhibitor. Basically, it works directly at the hair follicle to shield it from DHT, and all with a great safety profile in trials. Cosmo Pharmaceuticals, the company behind it, is expected to complete its final safety follow-ups and file for regulatory approval in the United States and Europe in 2026. This is, honestly, a massive shift, a targeted, local approach to stopping hair loss right at the source. But why wait? Nature has already given us powerful compounds that work on very similar principles. We can use them right now to create a serum that gives our follicles that same protective shield. The new clinical frontier is all about blocking DHT on the scalp and boosting hair health without those pesky systemic side effects. So, our 2026-inspired serum is built on 3 natural ingredients that do just that, each one picked for its scientifically backed power to mimic these futuristic treatments. Our first cornerstone is rosemary oil. If you've heard the buzz, it's for a very good reason. A game-changing 2015 study directly compared rosemary oil to Minoxidil 2%, the leading over-the-counter hair growth drug. The results were just stunning. After 6 months, both groups saw a significant increase in hair count, with no real difference between the two. That's right, rosemary oil worked just as well as the pharmaceutical. So, how does it do it? Rosemary oil is believed to be a potent inhibitor of the 5-alpha reductase enzyme. That's the enzyme that converts testosterone into the DHT that shrinks your follicles. It also boosts blood circulation to the scalp, making sure your follicles get all the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. It's a powerhouse that stimulates growth, protects follicles, and has antioxidant properties, making it the perfect foundation for our serum. Our second ingredient is pumpkin seed oil, and this is our direct answer to the localized DHT blocking action of future drugs like clascoterone. Pumpkin seed oil is loaded with compounds called phytosterols, which have been shown to naturally block that same 5-alpha reductase enzyme, lowering DHT levels right where you apply it, on your scalp. And this isn't just a theory. A gold standard randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial looked at its effects on men with hair loss. The results were incredible. After 24 weeks, the men who took pumpkin seed oil saw an average hair count increase of 40%, compared to just 10% in the group that got a placebo. By adding this to our serum, we're using an ingredient with clinical evidence showing its ability to reduce DHT, all while delivering a healthy dose of fatty acids, zinc and magnesium to nourish the follicle. Our final ingredient is peppermint oil. Think of this as the shot of espresso for our serum. Its main benefit comes from menthol, which acts as a vasodilator. When you massage it into your scalp, it creates that famous cooling, tingling sensation. That's not just a feeling, that's the result of increased blood flow rushing to the area. This rush of circulation is critical. It's like opening up a superhighway for nutrients to reach your sleeping hair follicles, helping to push them into the anagen, or growth phase. It wakes up the scalp, helps clear away any follicle-clogging gunk, and makes sure that the powerful DHT blockers from the rosemary and pumpkin seed oils get delivered as efficiently as possible. It's the catalyst that makes the whole formula work that much harder. If you're loving this look into the future of hair science, and you're ready to make a solution that puts you way ahead of the game, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. I'm always digging into next-level wellness hacks like this one, and I don't want you to miss out on what's coming next. Alright, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. It's time to mix up our very own at-home growth serum. This is incredibly simple, and you only need a few things. First, your 3 essential oils. You'll need high-quality, 100% pure rosemary oil, pumpkin seed oil, and peppermint oil. Second, you'll need a carrier oil. This is super important because essential oils are way too strong to be applied directly to the skin. A good carrier oil dilutes them to a safe level and helps with absorption, all while adding its own nourishing benefits. I recommend either jojoba oil, which is very similar to our scalp's natural oils, or fractionated coconut oil, which is really lightweight and non-greasy. Finally, you'll need a 2-ounce amber or dark blue glass dropper bottle. The dark glass is key because it protects the oils from sunlight, which can break them down and make them less potent. Here is the formula. It's designed to create a potent yet safe 3% dilution. Into your empty 2-ounce dropper bottle, you're going to add, first, jojoba or fractionated coconut oil. Fill the bottle almost to the top, leaving just a little room for the other oils. This will be about 60 milliliters. Next, rosemary essential oil. Add 20 drops. This is our main growth stimulator and DHT fighter. Then, pumpkin seed oil. Add 15 drops. This is our precision DHT blocker that mimics those futuristic drugs. And finally, peppermint essential oil. Add 5 drops. This is our circulation booster, the awakener. Once all the oils are in the bottle, screw the cap on tight and give it a good shake for about 30 seconds to make sure everything is mixed together perfectly. And that's it! You are now holding your own bottle of next-generation hair growth serum. You just bottled the future of hair care in your own kitchen. So, making the serum is step 1, but honestly, using it consistently is where the magic really happens. Your hair follicles need time and repeated exposure to these ingredients to wake up and shift into an active growth phase. Here's your game plan for success. Alright, let's talk frequency and timing. You'll want to apply this serum at least 3 to 4 times a week. I find the best time is in the evening, an hour or 2 before bed. This gives the oils plenty of time to soak in and do their work overnight without making your hair greasy for the day. then you can just wash it out in the morning. Or if you prefer, you can apply it 30 to 60 minutes before you wash your hair as a quick pre-shampoo treatment. Now let's get into the application method, because this part is really key. Don't just drip the oil onto your hair. We're treating the scalp, not the hair itself. First, start by parting your hair. Use the dropper to apply a few drops of the serum right onto the scalp along that part line. Next, make a new part about an inch over and do it again. Keep going until you've covered all the areas you want to treat, especially places like the temples, crown, or your hairline. About 1 to 2 full droppers should be enough for your whole scalp. And now for the most important part, the massage. Using the pads of your fingers, not your nails, gently but firmly massage your scalp for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Use small circular motions and work your way across your entire head. This massage doesn't just spread the oil, it manually boosts blood flow and helps those active ingredients penetrate deep down to the follicle. Listen, you didn't lose your hair overnight, and you won't regrow it overnight. This is a process. With consistent use, most people start to see less shedding and the first signs of new growth, what some people call baby hairs, within 3 to 6 months. Remember, the rosemary oil study showed its best results at the 6-month mark, so think of that as your first major check-in. Be patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. And if you want to give it an extra boost, think about supporting your hair from the inside out. Making sure you're getting enough hair-healthy nutrients like biotin, zinc, and iron can create the perfect internal environment for growth and make your serum even more effective. What we've created today is so much more than a DIY recipe. It's a whole new way of thinking about our hair health. For too long we've been told the only answers are in a pharmacy, often with trade-offs we don't want to make. But as science moves forward, it's actually proving what nature has known all along, that powerful targeted solutions can be found in compounds that work with our bodies, not against them. By understanding the science behind upcoming breakthroughs like clascoterone, that focus on local topical DHT blocking, we've basically reverse-engineered a solution that you can start using today. This serum, built on the clinically supported powers of rosemary, pumpkin seed, and peppermint oils, is your secret weapon. It's a way to take back control of your hair's destiny and get a serious head start on the future of hair care. The power to get thicker, fuller hair is literally in your hands now. Stay consistent, be patient, and get ready to see the results you've been hoping for. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who's struggling with their hair. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips that empower you to become the boss of your own health and wellness. See you in the next one.